The new European Union for Health program is endowed with more than 5 billion euros for 2021-2027, unheard of, more than 11 times the previous budget, to prevent diseases and promote health, to protect European citizens from health threats at the borders, to contribute to the development of innovative, efficient and sustainable health systems, and facilitate access to quality health care for European citizens. Couldn't be better. We asked the Commissioner to clarify the role of the future health emergency response authority, HERA. Here is her answer. Si la pandémie a permis de tirer une leçon primordiale,
viruses negate borders. Our health security is highly dependent on collaboration, coordinated action, and pooling resources. Preparing, acting, and reacting with solidarity and responsibility. We have learned enough over the past 2 years to take decisive action. We have seen enough to understand that fragmentation makes us all more vulnerable. In November 2020, we proposed structural changes to the EU health security framework, laying the foundations of a strong European health union. These proposals are how we can enhance our preparedness, surveillance, risk assessment, early warning and response to address cross-border health threats and to better protect EU citizens while fully respecting the competencies of our member states. We're also making sure that our 2 EU agencies that have been at the forefront of our work, the ECDC and the EMA, have the resources and the mandate they need for tomorrow's health challenges. Collaboration and solidarity offer the surest paths to more resilient and more accessible health systems, to healthier and more equal societies. The EU has shown how much it can do when we work together. Our EU vaccine strategy is the strongest case in point. We have fully vaccinated upwards of 70% of the adult population and have exported half of our vaccine production to the rest of the world. We set up COVAX and sent vaccines to every corner of the globe. At the beginning of the crisis, our citizens were asking for more Europe. Europe is here, with a strong European Health Union in the making, and its eyes always on protecting the health of citizens, now and in the future.
L'Europe peut-elle accélérer l'évaluation des produits de santé mis au point
sur
son territoire pour les offrir plus rapidement aux patients? Deuxième question.
Commission has proclaimed the pursuit of more products for the patients.
The Health Emergency Preparedness and Response Authority, HERA, is a fundamental part of our response to those gaps. It's time to move from ad hoc solutions to structural ones. Solutions that are going to guide us out of this crisis, but will also prepare us for the next one. HERA will strengthen our foresight, our preparation, our anticipation, and our response to future health crises. It will address vulnerabilities in development, manufacturing, procurement, and distribution of medical countermeasures in the EU and globally. HERA will ensure preparedness for serious cross-border threats to health, and then it will identify effective collective responses. This will enable the EU and its member states to rapidly identify, procure, and deploy the most advanced medical countermeasures in the event of a health emergency. As such, HERA will be a strong central pillar of a strong European Health Union. Speed here is of essence. We adopted the package of initiatives for HERA 2 weeks ago, and we expect that it should be operational by 2022.
Dernière question. La Commission européenne proclame l'Union européenne de la santé comme une réponse.
The EU has proclaimed the European Health Union as a key response to the current crisis. What does it mean exactly?
We designed the pharmaceutical strategy for Europe to answer questions exactly like these. Adopted last November, the strategy puts patients at the center of the process, aiming to support innovation for unmet medical needs and secure a steady supply of affordable, high-quality, safe and effective medicines for all patients. We want to make our rules fit for the future. That means benefiting from digitalization and reducing regulatory burdens to support faster assessment and authorization of vital medicines. Ensuring security of supply is one of the strategy's main objectives. The European Union can and should benefit from the digital and green transition to strengthen its capacity to produce, in a sustainable way, all the products that are most critical. This will contribute to both EU and global security of supply, and above all, the access of patients to the medicines and medical devices they need.
Voilà, merci. Merci à Madame Kyriakides.
Well, I would like to thank Mrs. Kyriakides. Let's now take a break.